to pour the tea. Somebody's out here tripping for this Ella Mai inspired tutorial. Stay tuned.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beaten Bombays, your Nate Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. This is an Ella Mai hair and makeup inspired tutorial. What's your favorite Ella Mai song? Comment below. Here's what you'll need to follow along. Products and brushes in this tutorial will be listed below. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Tune in weekly every Friday and Sunday for more content. It's time to drop the beat and bomb out this hair. You want to make sure your hair is detangled and easy to comb through. I'm going to start by moisturizing my hair with some Cantu leave-in conditioner. Next, I'll be using Live. This stuff is amazing for all natural hair types. It helps lay your edges. And I don't know why, but I love the smell. Pull out your bristle brushes to help reinforce your ponytail, but leave out your baby hairs. We're going to tame those in a second. Get your edge control out. I'm using Shine & Jam's Shea Edges. I'm placing the edge control on my hairline and on my leave out. Reinforce your ponytail. It's time to pull out your hair tie. I got my edge control brush. Swoop the edge control using your edge control brush and use your fingers to help shape and reinforce baby hairs. Control those edges, girl. Pop out, sis. Lay your edges down with your scarf. Any blow dryer will do. You want to dry your edges on low or cool. Get your bobby pins out. Shape your bun towards the back of your head and pin as desired. Moving on to the Ella Mai Slay, get your primer out, ladies. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finishing Primer. Apply it all over your face. Comb out your brows with the spoolie brush because I'm starting with brows first. Ella Mai's look is natural, so I'm going with the light brown in my brow palette by BH Cosmetics. My angled brow brushes are going to help me achieve this look as well. Fill in your brows with pomade. You can easily achieve this look with pencil as well. Clean your brows up with highlighting concealer. I'm using Sephora's Bright Serum in the color Tatin. I'm connecting my brows for a flawless cleanup. I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base. Get your eyeshadow base out for natural eyeshadow application. You want to get it all over your lid. I'm using Anastasia's Beverly Hills Blush Trio for my eyes and cheeks. Avoid your brow bone when applying eyeshadow. NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint. Get it all over your face. Blend your foundation in. My beauty blenders from EcoTools. Highlight with Sephora's Bright Serum, as I did with my brows. I'm highlighting my T-zone and my cheeks. Blend, sis, blend. I'm contouring with Smashbox Contour Stick to create shadows. Blend, sis, blend. Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Powder in the color Blondie. I'm lightly setting my face and lightly dusting it all away. Buxom Big T's for mascara. Line your lips. I'm using a lip pencil from MAC in the color Chestnut. I have a detailed lip tutorial on my channel, Buxom White Russian, which is my all-time fave. Boss up and get this money. Hey, boss up and get this money. Boom. I went from defeated to beat it, from boom to bomb, and you can too. Thanks for tuning in to another bomb tutorial. Subscribe weekly for videos every Friday and Sunday. Twice a week just isn't enough, huh? So check me out on my social media at grenade_mar. I'll be throwing bomb beauty tips there too. We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are.